Hello guys, it's me, and today we'll be playing Hello City with the Tiff one. And let's go. So right now the sun's about to rise. Okay. So I'm gonna check the radar for the storms. I usually spot storms with but like never mind. Anyways, let's play. I'll skip to the part where a storm is about to form. Who made the suspension of the Tiff one? I'm gonna find it real quick. Please, someone fix that. But first, we need to do our very special deployment rehearsal. Look at that. Instantly flushes to the ground. Fan spikes down. I mean, it's forgivable. The spikes in the dropping down system can be forgivable since it can still survive a tornado, but it just lost its one and only chance of surviving 190 miles per hour. Alright, so if you guys hear any Elvis music, that's my dad trying to adapt to my interests. Okay. Oh my. Let me order that pizza! Alright, so there comes a supercell thunderstorm. Right now, there's only 6,135 Cape. Oh, okay. The wind shear is 24 kts. The relative humidity is 91%. The lapse rate is 10. Okay. If you ever hear Elvis music in the background, I don't actually hate the music. I love it. It's just that I'm recording, okay? I'm recording. Elvis is peak cinema. Go watch his music. Go listen to his music. You'll like it. You're literally gonna like it. Come on, go watch. Alright, so there's an EF1. There comes a big EF1. And next to its wall cloud is Alright, so take the storm's taking a more easterly route. I think. Oh my! This is a very strong wind gust. It's about 53, 52. What kind of wind gust is this? This wind gust, if I ever recorded this wind gust, actually, okay, something will happen. I would get smashed in by Look at that, it's almost turning an EFO level. The winds here are almost EFO level. Look at this. So I'm gonna skip to the part where I get to this yellow TVS thing. Alright. Hold on. You're gonna explain to me what is that monster? Oh my. You take a look at that. I'll show you. You better take a look at that. Take a look at that. Oh my god. That thing is huge. Alright, let's go. And this is silly little EF2. What kind of... Oh my gosh, EF3 level. Okay, we can handle that. Just hope that Mother Nature gives some mercy to our lives. Uh-oh. I think that's too close. The tornado is just right behind us. Why is this wedge so large? Oh my. No, I have to get this on the IMAX. I have to run and get this on the IMAX. This is huge monster mega wedge here. This monster. Oh, look how large that thing is. It's El Reno all over again. Park. Park and deploy! Do your best. This thing is not gonna miss us. In fact, it's gonna hit us. It's gonna hit us. I'm gonna snap a thumbnail photo here. Look at this. It's coming towards me. Look at this. I can see the wind speeds here. Are we deployed? Oh. Bridge over to... There it goes. There goes the wind. We're getting 106. Climbing. Getting EFO level here. Oh my! I thought this was gonna eradicate the entire thing. I thought this was gonna eradicate. This is an EFO. Oh, come on, let's go. We're gonna face the back wall. Even though I don't know if this is the back wall, but still getting some huge winds here. Look at here, EFO level. It's an EFO. The EFO for the NEF 1. Look at this. See? That's some good winds. Okay, so the winds continued for a long time. That's cool. Alright, so now that actually... Alright, let's go. The beast has finally went out. The beast has died. The beast has finally died. Say congratulations. Celebration of the life of a mega wedge. Some capture so that we can see what it's doing right now. Oh, it's still wedging here. It's the rain walls flying. I don't actually see what the radar says. Let's go for, I don't know if we can go for a second intercept. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys, bye.